F. F for fish. Flower. Fox. Fountain. Falcon. Fireworks. Flamingo. Flight. Factory. Welcome to the magical world of letters. Today, we're going on a fantastic adventure with letter F. Fish. Meet Fish Freddy, who swims through coral reefs. Flower. One day, Fish Freddy discovered a beautiful flower. Fox. Fast Fox Frankie joined the journey. Fountain. And led them to a magical fountain. Falcon, where they met Falcon Frank soaring through the skies. Fireworks, followed by a spectacular fireworks display. Flamingo. Flamingo Florence taught them to dance. Fantasy, in a world of fantasy. Flight, where they took to the skies. In flight. Factory, and visited a fantastic factory making fascinating things, fans, furniture, and food. And that's the fantastic adventure of letter F. From fish to factory, everything is connected. Thanks for joining us on this alphabetical adventure. See you next time.